So here are 10 things you can do with your Quest 3 and 3S beyond gaming. We kick things off with the most obvious, watching movies or series. The Quest allows you to turn any space into a giant cinema. You can make the screen as large as you like, dim your surroundings, and even transport yourself to stunning environments. With no distractions and forgetting everything around you, the Quest is the ultimate theater experience. Even if you have to do boring adult stuff, you can watch your favorite content in between chores, never missing out on the action. 3D films especially look fantastic on these headsets, bringing them to life in ways only VR can. Seeing Ready Player One come out of your screen is truly magical. Oh, and on top of that, you can literally step into a movie as well. Interactive experiences like Wolves in the Walls, Baba Yaga, and many others let you take part in immersive animations. These are also great to show to friends and family to sell them on getting their own. Next up is hanging out with users online. You can invite them into your living room, have a chat in mixed reality, or check out YouTube videos together. The latter can be done through the official app by hitting up your friends list. Since Horizon is built into the Quest platform, you have the option to dive deeper down the rabbit hole too and explore worlds with buddies or strangers. Now, if that's not your cup of tea, then don't worry, you got VR Chat, an excellent place to socialize, and is one of the core reasons I still use my Quest on a day-to-day basis. Creativity is another. Yep, that's right, you can use the Quest to learn how to make art. King Spray Graffiti is one of the best. It lets you team up with online headset owners to create amazing street art without having to look out for the police. There are many artsy apps out there actually, but they're often undersold. You can become a DJ in Electronauts, creating your own tracks, learn to draw in pencil by using mixed reality, or go next level with Open Brush to create entire universes in 3D. Definitely take a look at the store for hidden gems. Let's say you want to get a workout done, then it's no surprise the Quest is the perfect headset for this use case. You have plenty of options. Thrill of the Fight, for example, lets you go head-to-head with tough opponents, while Just Dance VR helps you to learn new moves. Get your cardio done with Fit XR, bring sports into your home with MR, or go climbing in glorious VR. The possibilities are endless. You're gonna have a blast no matter what. In case you have a smartwatch, it is a good idea to track your workouts, so that after you're finished, you can see how much calories you burned. VR is known to be an effective method of staying in shape while being at home, so give it a try and let me know what you think. Something I rarely see advertised is educational content. One of the most outstanding ones is the Anne Frank experience, which lets you go back in time and retrace her steps. There are many other historical experiences like this on Quest. You can board the Titanic, become an astronaut on the ISS, travel to beautiful locations in worlds, or do something completely different, like learning to play the piano. The lineup of educational content is quite niche, but the ones that are on the store are some of the most special moments you can have in headset. Before we move on, here's a message from today's sponsor, Prism XR. They make fantastic charging docks for the Quest 3 and 3S that let you easily charge your headset while keeping it in a safe place. The modern design displays your tech in a nice way and features anti-slip under the base so you can place it anywhere in the house. The dock uses a magnetic charger that plugs into the side of the Quest and then snaps onto the base. It takes about 1 hour and 50 minutes to fully charge the headset, and the controllers use similar magnetic connectors that take around 2.5 hours to juice up. On the front of the so-called nest, you'll find indicators that show the battery status, and you got a special extender that makes it compatible with almost all straps on the market. If you're interested in the Carina lineup, you can find a link in the description below. So let's move on to productivity. You can use apps like Horizon Workrooms to create your own dedicated office, either solo or with others. It has a whiteboard and rooms for holding meetings. Even if someone doesn't have a VR headset, they can still join via video call. Another app I recommend is Immersed. It feels like joining an internet cafe full of strangers, but it offers much more in terms of screen real estate. You can literally bring all your monitors into virtual or mixed reality, transforming any room into a futuristic setup. To finish it off, you can connect your keyboard or mouse over Bluetooth by heading to the Quest's settings. Now, a genre that is up and coming are virtual pets. It's absolutely fantastic that, thanks to MR, you can now have a companion in ways you never thought was possible. It's still pretty rare to get a release, but apps like Stay Forever Home are pushing the agenda to bring more pets to the platform. I love how it lets you decorate your physical space and jump into VR using portals. The only thing that's missing is a way to connect with friends and having each other's pets meet in real life, letting them play together and trading items you unlocked. See it as Nintendogs or Animal Crossing, but far more immersive. Either way, this genre is a welcoming addition to the Quest library, and I hope we'll get to see more of these in the near future. A great way to spend time beyond gaming too is by visiting an interactive concert. Soapbox and Amaze VR are my absolute go-tos. You can get a private concert from artists such as T-Pain, Zara Larsson, and many more. To truly get immersed, it is recommended to put on a pair of headphones so you can lose yourself in the music. On Quest itself, you have an app called Meta TV. It doesn't receive much new content these days, but there are a couple of concerts that you can check out, including one from Sabrina Carpenter. Steering away to a total different subject is spatial video. You can use your phone to shoot your own 3D-esque memories that you can relive anytime. All you have to do is snap one, upload it to the gallery in the Horizon mobile app, and from there you can start experiencing the future of how we'll capture our favorite moments and turning them into true time capsules. I'm hoping that at some point in time you can watch these together with your friends in headset. Oh, and next to spatials, you got Gaussian splatting. This method also uses your phone, but here you can actually step into your photos. You're basically looking at a bunch of pictures glued together that give you a sense of 3D. Walking into these scenes is one of the most next level things you can do on the Quest, and don't get near the graphics of a VR game yet. Last but not least, you can browse the internet using your hands. I love doing this while lying on the couch and having multiple windows open, with my social media and favorite content creators. You can stay in the real world or transition to a magical place. It's totally up to you. And there you go, those are things you can do outside of gaming on Quest. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, and stay tuned for more Quest content.